Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the Signal messaging app from start to finish, and then I'm going to go over how to take advantage of some of its features. Now, first off, if you're new here and you want more news, reviews, and how-tos for your phone, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything. So Signal is one of many messaging apps that pushes its privacy-preserving technology and state-of-the-art end-to-end encryption that keeps your conversation secure. It's available to download on both the App Store and Google Play Store, and you only need a phone number to get started. Now, I'm really not going to go over all of that privacy type stuff that's been going on between WhatsApp because I actually have a video that I'm going to link below for you guys to check out if you want more information on that. Now, we're just going to head over to the Signal app and set it up so we can get started messaging some people. Alright, so here we are. Once you download the Signal app from the App Store or Google Play Store, you're going to jump in and you're going to see the terms of service, which I highly recommend you skim through and look through that before you accept the terms. And then what you're going to do is you're going to also need a phone number that's actively working, and you're going to punch that in, and also a PIN number that you're going to set up, a 4-digit personal identification number. That way Signal app knows that it's you. And then also you can add your first name, and then your last name is actually optional. You don't have to do that. And then once you go through this whole setup process, very easy, simple to do, just takes maybe a minute if that. All right, so here we are in the home screen, and the first thing I wanted to let you know, in the top left you can click on where it says J on my screen. You can click on that, and that's simply where you can change your photo if you would like. And I'm not really going to go into all the other settings. There is some stuff we'll go back into for you to check out, but that'll be at the end of the video. It's a cool little thing that Signal does. But what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to go over how to send a message. And you could do that as by touching the top right little pencil picture here, and you could go in and you can actually find by phone number. You can invite friends to Signal. And in this case, I already have a conversation that I started earlier, and I'm going to go into that conversation. And obviously you can see this is my buddy Jake. He's my brother from another mother, as you could say. And we were talking a little bit. Obviously I wanted to let him know I'd be messaging him, and now I'm going to send that to him. That's a way you could send that off. And then you could go in and you see this camera, and you see this little sticker thing, and you see the microphone. First thing I wanted to talk about was the camera, which you could go in here and you could take a photo if you would like, or at the bottom left you can go in and actually take you to an album. It's pretty cool. I'll show you here. We'll take a quick picture, and then you can go in, and at the top you can do some editing and add some text. Hit the little check mark there. You can move that around. It's very simple to use, and then you can send that off. He's gonna get that photo. Now, the next thing I wanted to talk about was the microphone. So you can actually hit the microphone, and that basically just sends audio text messages in a sense. It's not an audio phone call, but it'll send a quick message like if I wanted to send it in audio instead of in a text. Pretty cool little feature, really quick thing. And then you can also see the little sticker button here, and you can click on this and you can go in and you can add stickers, which I don't have any installed stickers at the moment, but you can go in there and download them and install them and use them in your chats as you wish. So you can also send group messages, and we're back on the home page here, and at the bottom you can see get started, and you can go in and hit new group, and then you can add actually multiple people if you choose by hitting these buttons. On the right hand side it'll check mark and it'll add people into a group, and then you could send a message and that'll simply message all those people at one time. Now, another thing I also wanted to talk about was the video and audio chats. So you can start a video or audio chat. So let's say I'm back in here with my buddy. I could hit this video button and it will call him. And then also you can do the same thing but with an audio chat. In the top right here you see a little phone button. You hit that button and that's basically gonna call them without the camera and everything. Very self-explanatory. Now, I also wanted to go back and show you that in the top right you can notice instead of sending a text message, you can start a conversation with the camera. So you can hit the camera here and it goes you right directly into your camera. Pretty cool. Again, you can take a photo and then you can do new message. I'll type a quick message and then I will go in and send it as a message, and then you could choose who your recipient is going to be by just selecting their name and sending it off just as starting it as a picture. So that way, if you're not even in a conversation, you want to take a big picture and send it to somebody, that's how you would do that. Now you can also go in this mode and you can hold the shutter button down and it will start recording a video. And as you can see, the timer is going here 3-4 seconds long, and then you let go and then you do the same thing. You could send it off to whoever you choose to send it to. So that's pretty cool. And also to note, you can go in and as you see at the top here, you can edit your video prior to sending it. Now, one of the other features, it's kind of like iMessage and such, you can go in and when somebody texts you, you can hold their conversation and you'll see a quick emoji reply. So I can do, a thumbs up to that. Now, the last thing I wanted to show you was disappearing messages. And how you do that is once you're in a message with someone, you're going to click on the person's profile themselves, and then you're going to click on disappearing message, and then you're going to see a slider. So message disappears after 1 day. You could slide it all the way down to 5 seconds, 10 seconds. You could go all the way up to 1 week. So how to do that is I'm going to go back in and I'm going to send a message to my buddy and I'm going to click 5 seconds just so we could see it disappear real quick. And now you see it and now you don't. 5 seconds later, it disappears. It's pretty cool. It gives you a little notification saying you set disappearing messages to 5 seconds. So that pretty much sums up the Signal app. And as I said before, I did a video that I will leave right here for you guys to watch next. It's a little more on the WhatsApp, Signal, Telegram type thing that's going on with the whole privacy and all that stuff. Go check that one out. And make sure you hit that subscribe button as well if you have not done so yet. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.